Every day, fleets move physical cargo, but the real heavy lifting happens in the back office, buried under stacks of paper and endless dispatch notes. To figure out where a single truck is, a dispatcher has to cross-reference a spreadsheet, call the driver on a bad connection, and check a disorganized WhatsApp thread. This means the people running your business spend hours every week playing phone tag, asking, "Where are you?" instead of optimizing routes or taking on new clients. It doesn't matter how fast your trucks drive if the data telling you where they are is always 10 minutes behind. DispatcherHQ solves this by giving everyone the exact same map. It connects the dispatcher, the driver, and the client through 3 distinct apps running on a single shared database. When a driver logs a toll expense or marks a package delivered on their phone, that data writes directly to the central system, and the dispatcher and client see it update on their screens in less than a second. No one has to call to ask for a status update, because the system broadcasts reality the moment it happens. It starts when a client requests a delivery. They enter their address, and the system geocodes the exact coordinates for the pickup and drop-off. That request flows directly into the dispatcher's inbox as a pending task, complete with calculated route and distance. The dispatcher reviews the details, hits approve, and selects an available driver from a drop-down menu. The system automatically hides any drivers who are already booked for that time window. The moment a driver is selected, the job enters the amber assigned status. Behind the scenes, the database generates a unique tracking URL that is emailed straight to the client. From the first click to the final dispatch, nobody had to type an address twice. The client's initial request smoothly becomes a live, trackable operation. Out in the field, the driver gets a push notification. They open their app, see the new job details, and tap Start Job. The status flips to green, and the driver's phone begins silently logging their GPS coordinates every 30 seconds, provided they're actually moving. The system broadcasts these coordinates via real-time fan-out, pushing the driver's location to the dispatcher and client simultaneously. Nearing the drop-off, the system draws a digital ring around the destination. Crossing this boundary auto-triggers the arrival event. The driver unloads the cargo, opens the app's camera to snap a photo of the box, and hands the phone to the recipient to capture a digital signature right on the screen. The physical goods are finally handed over to the customer, perfectly documented within the system using precise location data and unalterable timestamps. The driver hits complete. The job shifts to an emerald delivered status, and the client's portal instantly reflects the finished timeline. A delivered box means the physical work is done, but the job isn't truly finished until the fleet secures its profit margins. Back in the office, the dispatcher opens the settlement view. This waterfall chart shows how they start with the agreed trip price and then factor in operational adjustments, like a penalty for wait time, which reduces that top line. Next, the system automatically pulls in the driver's hourly wage, along with any mid-trip expenses they logged from the road, like fuel or tolls. Stripping away driver pay and expenses reveals the exact net profit for that specific run. The dispatcher clicks Save. The job enters a terminal closed status, writing these final numbers into the database. Because this financial ledger is append-only, no one can quietly delete or alter past transactions. Every dollar owed and earned is permanently locked in, ensuring the books always match reality. Those closed jobs instantly populate the accounts receivable dashboard. When it's time to bill a client, the dispatcher selects the completed jobs, generates a branded PDF invoice, and hits send. When a lump sum payment arrives, tools like waterfall allocation automatically distribute the cash across the client's oldest unpaid invoices, clearing out the backlog mathematically. What used to be a frantic scramble of paperwork is now a smooth, predictable system, with every piece of the business moving freely. DispatcherHQ removes the friction of manual logistics, giving fleet owners complete visibility over their vehicles on the road and absolute certainty over the money in their bank account. Stop chasing your trucks and start growing your fleet. Visit DispatcherHQ.com to request access and unify your business today.